अधगल गगरी छलकत जाए, यानी कि इनकम्प्लीट नॉलेज, आधा अधूरा जानकारी किसी भी सब्जेक्ट किसी भी टॉपिक का डेंजरस होता है, खतरनाक होता है। आज हम लोग इस सेइंग, इस कहावत के डेप्थ में जाएंगे और इसके अलग अलग कॉर्नर, एंगल और साइड को टच करेंगे। हेलो एंड वेलकम, माय नेम इज आकाश पांडे। आप सभी का आपके अपने यूट्यूब चैनल न्यू स्मार्ट क्लासेज के इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। जैसे कि आप सभी जानते हैं, हम लोगों ने स्पोकन इंग्लिश प्रैक्टिस को ध्यान में रखते हुए एक सीरीज स्टार्ट की है। आज के इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे हम लोग 70% 80% इंग्लिश कम्युनिकेशन और 20% 30% हिंदी, यानी कि ये इंग्लिश वे में ये इस टॉपिक पे हम लोग डिस्कशन करेंगे, एक्सप्लेनेशन करेंगे। वीडियो को अंत तक जरूर देखें, अच्छा लगा तो लाइक जरूर करें। सो लेट्स जंप टू द टॉपिक। इनकम्प्लीट नॉलेज, हाफ नॉलेज इज डेंजरस, अधगल गगरी छलकत जाए। In our friend circle, society, I think in school, college, there are lots of cases. A number of people, several students or friends who, depending upon their own sort of information or whatever knowledge or data that they have, that they collect, they seem to comment, they seem to put on their comments or come to the conclusion that this is right or this is correct, this is not good, you are wrong, you don't have complete knowledge. I think there are lots of example where we come to such cases, such scenario where we kind of see such a discussion, such comments where they seem to debate on any particular topic or any particular subject. I think we need to go to the depth of that particular topic or subject, whatever it is, whether it is educational news or sport or politics or for that matter any social news. We need to be very very clear, very very obvious and very very confident about that. And for that we need to have patience. We need to have kind of all the information, all the knowledge, all the data, whether it is offline or online, social media, Google, YouTube, or any expert. We need to go to him and ask him. And for that matter, to go even deeper, we need to read books or we need to reach some personalities who are kind of experienced, kind of professional, who have some sort of real, true potential, skill or knowledge in this regard. So, all I mean to say, whenever we feel that we have enough knowledge, I think we still need to search out. We still need to kind of investigate, kind of go and find those all available sources. Again, I'm telling you, offline means go read any book or try and find those personalities, expert, professionals, educated one, maybe any teacher, maybe any friend or any other personality for that matter. Or online we have Google, YouTube. But Google, YouTube, the worst part is that all the website, all the links that we get, there's a strong possibility that all the news information, the data that we get, there's a strong possibility कि वो सारे जो है अच्छे नहीं है, वो सारे जो है सही नहीं है. So we even need to go deeper because the possibility is that even the data or information that is put there on Google, YouTube, वो भी कोई पर्सनालिटी, कोई सोर्सेज के द्वारा अवेलेबल है. सो मे बी वहाँ भी कुछ ना कुछ कमियाँ, कुछ ना कुछ शॉर्टेज हो सकती हैं. सो वी नो वी नीड टू गो इवन डीपर and we need to have, as I have already said you, patience is the key. We need to be kind of let me take some time. I think some more time needs to be taken here, and maybe some days, maybe after some kind of months or some sort of minutes we need to take, and we need to have clear sort of mindset that you may be true, your information might be correct, but I have this amount of knowledge, this amount of information, data, so let me take some more time. I think with some more researches, some more investigation, I'll be able to find some more information. Then let's discuss, let's kind of have our own thought process, your thought process, and probably after that we will be able to find a conclusion or a result which will be enough to jump into any sort of outcome, result. So this is all I want to say, that whenever we sort of comment on any topic or put our own thought, we need to go deeper, we need to go on searching mode, search it out and have all the options available, have patience, take your time and just have your comments, your own thought process that I might be wrong, I may be true, so this is what I know, I think this is what you know. Collectively we have this many or this much information, we need to go some more information available with the help of some other resources or platforms, and then maybe going forward in some little time we might be able to jump into any conclusion or any outcome. So this is all I want to say. हम लोगों ने ऑलरेडी 2 और भी वीडियो इस सीरीज में बना रखी है, अपलोड कर रखी है, डिस्क्रिप्शन में वो लिंक भी मैंने दे दी है, आप वहाँ भी जाके इसको चेक कर सकते हैं. सो आई होप you got the idea, you got the message what I meant by this particular content of video. I hope you like this. You can share with as many people as you want. Thank you very much. मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. खुश रखें अपने परिवार वालों को भी खुश रखें.
Thank you.